Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate a respondent's age based on their date of birth and then use that value in conditional logic and dynamic value expressions. In SurveyJS Form Builder, you can perform calculations using built-in functions. One of these is the age function, which calculates age from a given date. You can find a full list of available functions in the expression syntax and user guide under calculated functions. Let's take a look at this sample pain assessment form. In this example, I have two fields, date of birth and age. Before we set a value expression to the age field, let's change the input type of the date of birth input to date to make sure the input is formatted correctly. Now let's configure the age field to calculate the value automatically. Select the age question and go to the conditions category. First, locate the setValueIf property. This allows you to define when the value should be calculated and assigned to the input field. Click the magic wand icon to build the condition. Set it to if date of birth is not empty, and then save the condition. Next, locate the setValueExpression property. Here, we will enter the formula that calculates the age. Type the age function and pass the date of birth question name in curly brackets as an argument, like this. This calculates the respondent's age based on the value entered in the date of birth field. Now, to ensure the value stays accurate, locate the resetValueIf property. You can either type the expression manually or use the magic wand. Set it to date of birth question name empty. This prevents the age value from persisting if the date of birth is cleared or changed. Now, when the respondents enter their date of birth, the age field is automatically calculated and displayed. By default, this field is editable. If you want to prevent users from changing the calculated value, you can make the field read-only or hide it from the form using the corresponding settings. But calculations in SurveyJS are not just for storing values. You can also use them to control form behavior. For example, let's show a question only if the respondent is under a certain age. Let's add a new question, such as a legal guardian. Select this question and go to the conditions category. Locate the Make the question visible if property. Enter the condition. Show the question only if the age is less than or equal to 15. Now the question will remain hidden by default. But when a respondent enters a date of birth that results in the age of 15 or younger, the question will appear automatically. You can also use age-based conditions to complete the survey early or guide respondents through a different path depending on their age. And that's how you calculate age and use it in expressions and conditional logic and SurveyJS. Thank you for watching.